In this segment, we're going to show you how to set up and operate the leg pulls. So a standard trim line is 7 feet tall, but if you opted for an 8 or 9 foot extension, the way to do that is to take one of these legs and just put the extension on top of it. This is a 1 foot extension, making mine an 8 foot canopy. But since we're making a movie about a 7 foot canopy, we'll just pretend we didn't see that. Line up the snap button at the very bottom with the row of holes. Then start pulling the inner nested section out of the leg, just about 6 inches at first. Find the hole located about 12 inches from the top of the leg, and keep pulling the inside section out until the snap button clicks into that hole. This is the travel position. Slide the stay bar joints into the bottom section of the legs, with the white arrow pointing down. They don't snap on, they're free to spin. Slide the feet onto the bottom of each leg, rotating until the snap button on the leg snaps into the hole on the foot. At this point, the leg assemblies are ready for transport or storage. If space allows, there's no need to ever remove the joints between shows. Later, when the leg is attached to the canopy and it's time to extend it to full height, hold the footplate against the ground, push the snap button in, and then lift the section upwards until a different snap button pops out from the bottom section. You can let the outer part of the leg rest on top of that button temporarily. This is the rest-stop position. It's intended to be a temporary position while setting up. To find the snap button that's intended to set the height of your canopy, rotate the inside tube until a snap button pops out of the uppermost hole. This is the extended position. You should be able to compensate for uneven ground by choosing different heights if needed, using that snap button. If at any point you can't find that button inside the leg, just remember that it's aligned with the bottom button that's holding on the foot.